In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website's interactivity by adding and customizing a lightbox feature. This user-friendly function can help you effectively capture visitors' attention, showcase important content, or highlight promotions effortlessly. I'll guide you through each step, from adding the lightbox to customizing content, setting triggers, and finally publishing it on your website. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk about what a lightbox is. A lightbox is a pop-up window that appears on a web page to highlight certain content while dimming the background. It could be used to display images, videos, forms, or any other kind of content you'd like your visitors to focus on. To begin, navigate to your website's builder or editor. Look for the option to add a new feature or element. You should see an option for lightbox or something similar. Clicking on this will add a standard lightbox to your web page. This starter lightbox is often a blank slate, which provides a good foundation for further customization. Now it's time to customize the content within your lightbox. Consider what you wish to present to your audience. If it's an image gallery, carefully select the images you want to display. If you're promoting a special offer, make sure your text is both enticing and clear. Many editors allow you to drag and drop content into your lightbox, so don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts until you find what looks best. Effective customization will ensure that your lightbox is not just visually appealing but also in line with your brand's identity. Next up, you need to set the triggers for your lightbox. Triggers are the actions that prompt your lightbox to appear, and setting them correctly is crucial for maximizing engagement. Common triggers include time spent on a page or user actions like scrolling or clicking. You might want your lightbox to appear after a visitor has spent a certain amount of time on a page or when they are about to exit. Integrate these triggers by accessing your lightbox settings and selecting the options that best fit your purpose. Remember, timing here is essential. Too soon, and it might be ignored; too late, and you may miss the chance to engage. Finally, with everything set, you're ready to publish your lightbox. Take a moment to preview your changes first. Most platforms offer this feature, allowing you to ensure everything looks and works perfectly before going live. Once you're confident, go ahead and publish it. Keeping an eye on analytics post-launch will help you assess how your audience is interacting with the lightbox. This feedback can be invaluable for future adjustments or campaigns. With that, your lightbox is all set up, fully customized, and live on your site. It's a fantastic way to boost engagement,